Hello. My name is Anukul Ghosh and today we are relaxing and freeing up our hands so that we can continue our painless and risk-free day as it can be. Let's quit talking and get right into it. Number 1. The arm clocks. Rotate, 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 and now switch it. Number 2. Anti-arm clocks. Take your opposite rotations of each arm and rotate, rotate, switch it. Number 3. Shoulder clocks. Grab your shoulder and make circles with your elbow and change directions respectively. Number 4. The arm stretch. Now hold your wrist with your wrist and stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. And number 5 is your tricep extension. Grab your elbow over your body and drag it with another arm. Do the same with another arm and make sure you raise, drag, release and then rest it before raising for another arm. Make it your habit to do everything slowly and controlled. So, it's all done for today. Hope you have a good day and thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and take care.